MrLeisek, and today we're going diving. Jason, I appreciate you being one of my fans here in Central Oregon, coming out and filming with me.
All right, anytime.
Now Jason, you've seen Griffin and I out here on a couple of occasions. We've dove the swimming area over there, we've dove the boat dock area over there, but we have never dove in this boat dock area over here. And with any luck, we're gonna find something good today.
All right, untapped treasure.
I got a frog in my throat this morning. Oh, you hear that echo? Can we hear that on camera?
You've never dove this area before? Is there a particular reason?
There are so many places here in Central Oregon to dive with underwater treasure. I'm doing everything I can to get to all of it. So there's been no particular reason as to why I've not yet been here. Which means we should find a gold mine or something today, right?
I hope so.
I think the depth that we're gonna be diving today is about 35 to 40 feet. I do know that anything over 15 or 20 feet, I want a flashlight for sure, especially when we start getting underneath docks like this. It's like a big shadow. It makes it dark real quick. Air check complete. Hold our mask and simply make it look good, falling backwards. How'd that look, Jason? Pretty good?
Look great.
Away we go.
Have fun.
Thanks, Jason. I will. this case, it sinks. Next up, see if you can grab my bag there. Beautiful. And one beautiful camp chair. Ready? Ready. Ooh. I'm kind of excited, Jason. Like, I'm not excited about the camp chair. I've had a ton of those. Not excited about the sunglasses. I've got so many sunglasses. I am excited about whatever this is. Are you ready, Jason?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
We got food. Maybe the gold's at the bottom of it.
Hopefully.
Okay, let me get this off. It says, for a minigun. I was hoping it was a minigun. That would have been cool.
Yeah, it definitely would have been cool.
We have a bag of semi-soggy cereal. Ooh, this stinks really bad. That stuff's been in there a while. When I found this underneath, it had like so much algae all over the top of it. Are you into MREs? We got a pork rib today. Beef teriyaki, gravy, turkey breast and gravy and potatoes. Some Kind bars. You want one of those?
Sure, I'll take one of those.
Are you sure about that? Like, look at it. You
Oh, yeah,
still
no,
on?
I won't.
Some nice soggy Odis. Some ramen. Oh, that's some nice soft ramen. Look at that.
Ooh.
Shrimp flavor. We got some water. That water actually looks decent. All right, we also have some drinks in here. TPNS. Have you heard of TPNS Energy?
No, I have not.
There's a couple of them in here. TPNS. Does anybody know what TPNS Energy is? The party never stops. Smoked baby clams.
Ooh.
So it looks like somebody's getting ready to go fishing and they packed their food for a day or a week.
And lost it.
It's lunchtime. We think you want to crack into, I mean, MREs never go bad, right?
No, they don't.
Would you eat an MRE with me? I'm gonna eat one.
Yeah.
I just got a text from my wife. She said, take that guy to Beetle Bailey Burger. Little does she know, we found an amazing ammo case today.
You found some food.
With some food.
Except for...
Oh, yours is leaking.
Yep.
Well, you don't want that one anyway. You wanted the turkey breast with gravy.
Yeah.
So there's yours right there. My mom said not to use my teeth to open things. I think every mom says that though, don't they?
Yeah.
Ugh. Evidently, MREs are not completely waterproof, but it appears as though the mills inside of the oh, it's still wet. Oh, those are smashed cookies, but those, I think those are good cookies though. Oh yeah, those are dry. Try one of those. Nice little score so far. Oh, a moist towelette, so we can wash our hands when we're done. Sugar, iodized salt, non-dairy dry creamer. Look at that. We even have Lipton hot tea if you want it. Look at that. The match should still work. Toilet paper, some Tabasco sauce, and some gum to wrap it up. Cheers, cheers as to our little find today and our not having to buy lunch today. Cheers, cheers. The party never stops. Not a bad little drink. I actually like that. Real similar to Red Bull.
Yeah.
TPNS, the party never stops. Oh, check that out. Pretty much Red Hots is what Cinnamon Imperials are. Yeah, so that box, I ended up picking that box up, drug it for about 10 minutes, lost it when I went after that camp chair. After 5 to 8 minutes or so, I almost gave up, started my little journey back up, ran into the box again. And don't you worry, we're gonna get to that bag of treasure. All right, a little chow mein. And the beef teriyaki. Bon appetit. It's edible.
The tear here spot's not tearing here, so.
Are you going from right to left or left to right?
I'm trying both, actually.
It's no Beetle Bailey burger, but it's free. And you know what they say about free? If it's free, it's for me. How's the turkey?
You could get by on it, but like you said, it's not Mama's cooking.
Oh, that kind of looks good in there. Oh, I don't need that much. Here.
We'll just...
Oh, I don't think it's a real 100% white meat turkey breast. Are you choking on it? Is that what's going on over there? It's okay. You don't have to eat the whole thing.
Only because you made me laugh.
You only have to eat enough to survive. In fact, I'm not going to eat the rest of this turkey breast. Only because, not that it's that terrible, but because I already ate my food over there. And I really want to dig into this blackberry jam with my wheat snack bread. That is dry and terrible. I can't even eat that. That's not good at all.
Wash it down with some chocolate.
How's the chocolate? Is it good?
It actually tastes all right.
That's not bad as far as the chocolate goes. It's like a little heavy chocolate brownie cookie,
Yeah,
or some sort. She wants to know where we got MREs from, and that we need to go to Beetle Bailey Burger.
she seems pretty devout on that.
We found them in the lake.
So far, the best thing in that box was the energy drinks.
God, these just don't smell good at all. I mean, we're in this deep though. We got to finish it off, right?
I can smell those from here.
They don't smell good, do they?
No.
I can't tell.
The cheese flavor's covering it up.
The cheese flavor is covering up. Like it actually, like they smell terrible, but I don't think they taste terrible. Either they don't taste terrible, or the other stuff was just so nasty that it's making these actually taste good.
Yeah, that's a 50-50.
And now, it's the moment that you've all been waiting for. The reveal of the treasure that we found in the lake today. Which does not smell very good at all, but we do it for you, the viewer audience. In hopes that you'll be crushing that like button, hitting the subscribe button. That stinks really bad. Oh, look at that corn. Maybe that's what stinks. But let's get back to, after you hit that subscribe button, turn on the little bell notification. That way you can instant notice anytime we upload a new video just like this one. Something really bad, it stinks in there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say it could be the corn. Nope, not the corn. Whoop. Nope, not the corn. Could be the towel. Towel's been in there a while. A little treasure there. There's a little knob. It's kind of like a little flower or a star of some sort. Ooh, these are good sunglasses. Diesel sunglasses.
Ooh.
And I promise you a pair of sunglasses today.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna say they're you.
I can't see anything, but...
Well, once you clean them up, they'll be fine. Also, the boat docks that we were down there, they're all labeled A, B, C, D, and they evidently are missing Q. Jason, you did a good job.
Thank you, sir.
I appreciate you coming today, hanging out with me. It was another fun episode, another fun dive. We'll see you next time. Later. Bye-bye. That's a wrap. Way to go, Jason.
Thank you.
Yeah.